Alright, I thought I would do a quick video here for everyone so they can see current state of our house. I'm kind of walking here, so sorry about shakiness. But this is the front here. Front door's right here. We're on a hill. It's got a daylight basement. Back door's around back. It's got a wraparound enclosed, screened-in porch, if you will. And so still have some of the siding on that we need to rip off, but we need to tear apart some of the porch in order to get to the siding and take it off. But the majority of the siding's off on the front, and the back in the porch, it's all just concrete block wall on the basement, so there's no siding there. And then the interior I'll show you here in a second. We have pretty much everything stripped from the inside. Again, sorry about the shakiness here. So here's our front porch, pile of siding, shutters, and here's the front door here. Just prop this open. And front door. Here's the front room, down to the subfloor. And as you can see, all the electrical and plumbing is removed. And here's our kitchen. This is a center section of cabinet that doesn't fit through the door, so it's just sitting inside. The rest of our cabinets are out here, and we'll refinish those to save some money, and then put back on the doors and the shelves. Yeah, again, just to save some dollars because cabinets are expensive. And then here's the rest of the wraparound porch here. I moved this door here. Sorry, just kind of trying to think here, make this video short so I don't go into too much detail. Here's a lot of the siding here. Again, kind of still working on it. I can't really step over this pile, so just to show you that. As you can see, the screen's blowing in the wind, so we'll need to rescreen that in. I'm going to take this little walkway out just for safety's sake. I don't trust it, and yeah, we'll just leave it at that. I don't trust it. So, and then come back in here to the kitchen, and a little closet here. There's a little shoe closet over there, and then this is the closet for this bedroom. And currently this is one big bedroom, but we're gonna, as you can see, there's kind of a larger stud pack here. So this will be one room, that'll be another room. There's an entrance for this room and an entrance for this room. Then here's the closet for this room. Pardon me. And there's another little linen closet here. And then going through here, we go into the master. There's a lot of work still to be done in here, as this used to be the side of the house, or the back side rather. And then they built a porch, and then they enclosed an area on top of the porch. So there's a lip right here. You can see there, and then they've got two beams here, which are good, but these need to be replaced with boards that go that same direction, because that's how wood carries weight, is this direction, not this direction. So anyway, and this little short wall will be removed, so it'll be a little bigger here. And then still got to kind of deframe this area so I can get this last piece of subfloor out. And then here's the master bath. We'll probably change this up just a touch, but there's that. And then this door will be walled in. This will be a closet, like a master closet. And let's see, continue downstairs, I guess. stairs. Excuse me, buddy. And then here's the basement. It is pretty much stripped. And there's the back door going out. And there's, again, this is underneath that little addition, underneath the master. So we're gonna knock down all these walls, break this slab up and re-pour it, because there's a crack that goes all the way here and this whole side is sunk. So we'll save the windows. We're gonna just put a single door back here. This one's already, one of the panes of glass is shattered, so it's not even worth keeping. But again, this is all this wall, all these exterior walls will be knocked down and redone after we pour a new slab. And the reason we can do that is because all these porch beams that they put up are bolted into the basement wall, and then the other end of the load is supported by these beams here. So these beams will continue to carry the upstairs weight. These exterior walls are non-load bearing, so we can just go ahead and knock them down and won't have any problems. I think that's pretty much it. There's a window here, which I don't know if I'll leave, but we'll wall it in anyway. So that won't be there anymore. And then this has been the bane of my existence here. This fireplace I've been tearing down. It's, as you can see, it's pulling away. It's so heavy. The whole chimney is actually pulling away from the house, so it's pulling the basement wall with it. So we're just gonna tear this all down and wall this in and just make it flush. It's not a heating source. It may have been at one point, but not anymore. So it just takes up a whole bunch of wall space. I like fireplaces, but we don't have a whole lot of square footage to spare. So anyway, so this will be kind of our, I guess, entertainment room, if you will. We'll have maybe a TV in here, but so we homeschool, so this will be our homeschooling room. Past this, where this bar is, this will be a wall, and then so this will be sort of our room for our schoolroom, and then there'll be a bathroom here, full bath. There'll be kind of a hallway here. This unit's going away. We're gonna get a new one. It'll probably go at the end here, and then the ducting will all run in the middle here. On the middle, off to the side here, obviously, not where these poles are. We're gonna replace these poles too and put more poles in. And then this will be another bedroom over here. And then this will be another large room. I'm not sure what, maybe another bedroom, but there's a lot of other activities that we need space for. My wife likes to sew, so does my daughter, and my sons like to play Legos, so probably be just a multi-purpose room. But and then we knocked down this wall right here yesterday, so we just put plywood up, or sorry, OSB to keep critters out, but we'll wall that into, I think it was a garage at one point. But, and yeah, and then here's the stairs going up, and we'll be redoing that as well, as you can, well, you can't see, but there's only 2 stringers, one on either side. I feel like there should be a third one, and really this is not carrying much weight here. And these are all like hung from the ceiling. So anyway, a lot of work, as you can see. But yeah, and then we still have one live circuit all the way to our electrical panel, because I need power to do things like run these lights. And also that's our sump pump. So when it rains, water flows into here and we need it pumped out. So otherwise this basement will flood. And then all of our nice hard work will be ruined. So this big screen TV is just, it's gonna go too. I just haven't had the time to disassemble it. So some additional wiring that I've pulled there. So yeah, that's that's pretty much the current state of everything. Let me know if you have additional questions as I trip on a nail. And yeah, throw them in the comments section. And here's our chicken coop. Our creek runs down here. And there's rubble from the wall coming down yesterday. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks.